Tennessee Flatbedder.
What's going on, Tennessee here from my new setup. And what's that? A box. I'm finally doing another unboxing. This unboxing is going to go into leading into where my channel is going to actually go. Should I tell you now or after I open the box? I act like I'm going to sit here and wait for you to respond. Hopefully you were yelling at your TV going, "Open the box!" All right, we're going to open the box. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, you guys can't see that. Oh. Like butter, freshly sharpened. Before I get to this, Twisted actually gave me one of his new stickers. Go to his merch shop. Back to the box. Oh, what's that? What is that? Whee! It's a camcorder. It's a high def IR camera. Doo-doo. Get to see it. Comes in the box. Manual. Charger. Remote. 2 batteries. And camera in its nice little case. So people that know me know that I needed an IR camera, night vision, to do some of my videos that I do of ghost investigations, I guess you can say. Wow. A nice flip out monitor. Because the video I was supposed to be putting out a few months ago, my GoPro don't do good in light and low light. So none of that video got even edited. I can't get it edited. It's too dang dark. But yeah, I got me a camera to do my ghost investigations with the old lady. And where my channel is going to go. My channel is always, I thought of doing YouTube to do bushcraft. Go camping in the woods, show you guys how to cook, start a fire, make camps, do reviews on camping supplies, on certain tents, hot tents, summer tents. I'm going to start doing hammocks first. And go from there. Chop wood. There's a couple of people I watch on YouTube that I've always watched before I even started YouTube. And I've always been interested in that. I've always been a woodsman. Growing up as a little kid, I was always in the woods, cutting down trees, starting fires, camping. It was just all the way. So that's where I'm going. And I had unboxed the new camera for you guys to see it. I'll do a short review on it later, see how well it is, along with my new setup. I got my GoPro here, GoPro 8 for my webcam, and then it'll be with me out in the woods, and then my laptop, my big monitor. This is what you guys, well, this is what I see when we're on the lives with Twisted. But other than that, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and wait for new videos come out. Appreciate it. Later. Now, where'd that clicker go? There it is. What do you think about this, Dalton?
Scenic. Pretty dope.
It's pretty gorgeous.
Huh?
That's pretty gorgeous out here.
Yeah. Like I've lived in Missouri my whole life, I've never known about this place.
It'll take somebody that loves the outdoors to take you out here.
Uh-huh.
So to take someone that loves the outdoors to bring you out here.
Yeah.
All thanks to Rod. Appreciate the telling me about this place. I think it's going to work for what we're wanting to do. I don't think nobody will find the bodies. Just kidding.
We're going to make DIY Adderall.
Just kidding about that too. So if everybody's watching this and wondering what we're doing out in the middle of the woods, is I'm gonna do some bushcraft on my channel. And Dalton might come out with me every now and then, or it might be just myself. Never know. Come out here and cook some food and camp for the night. Bring the bikes or the pickups. Don't know. We'll see. We'll have to keep an eye on that camp. Keep an eye on that shelter. Next time we come back.
Oh, yeah.
Use my referral code DODSTH on your application